I'm Randy Alvarez. Welcome to this week's health tip. With us, we have an ophthalmologist, board-certified ophthalmologist, retina specialist, and the topic came up about people that stare at the computer all the time, and they start to get headaches and things like that. So I asked her and wanted to get her take on it. So welcome to the program. We have Dr. Harrison.
Nice to be here.
So what do you tell people? You say...
So, you know, a lot of times people will come to me and say, when I'm working at my computer terminal, when I'm at the office, or I've been reading on the computer for a long period of time, I feel uncomfortable. My eyes are sore, I'll get headaches. And I oftentimes tell them that, you know, we don't realize when we work on a computer, we tend to stare at that screen much longer than we would if we were reading a book. And so it's like if you were exercising and you were doing a squat against the wall and your thighs were flexed and you held that position for 30 or 40 minutes.
Okay, that's a good point.
And then if you get up to walk across the room, your legs are going to be aching and uncomfortable. It's going to be hard to do that. So when you stare at that computer screen for an extended period of time without breaking that gaze or letting those muscles move differently, the muscles inside the eye, they're going to go into a bit of a spasm when you want to look across the room. So practical tips. A lot of people work in cubicles. You can't just look up from your screen and at something 2 feet away from you on the wall. It's not going to break it. Stand up, look across the top of your cubicle, look down the hallway. If you have a window,
your eye is actually flexing.
Right, and you'll feel it. You'll feel it. You'll notice as you start to look out there and you're trying to gaze 20, 30 feet away, you can't quite focus. It takes a minute. That's relaxing that muscle. Make sure every 20 minutes or so that you take the time to do that, and you'll notice when you get to the end of the day, you don't have that headache, you don't have that eye strain. You'll be a lot more comfortable, and you'll be able to get through your work day much more easily. Now, I have a theory
that, and I don't think you agree with this theory, but I think that just like diabetes, because of diet, is happening, you know, at 30-year-olds, 40-year-olds, 50-year-olds, that is it possible with humans now looking at computer screens all day that you may see early macular degeneration because of the lack of the movement of the eye, the focus of the eye? Is that possible?
Well, you know, there are people who think that exercising the eye and things like that can help avoid certain types of glasses or things like that. But the eye actually has an amazing ability to do this naturally. You won't wear it out. You don't need to exercise it. You're constantly changing and using that muscle whether you want to or not. So life is a great exercise for the eye.
All right. Okay. I want to thank you for the tip.
You're very welcome.